Talk about strip diagrams. Okay, strip diagrams is just another way to model an equation. Okay, on this first one, okay, put 32 flowers into 8 bouquets. How many flowers were in each bouquet if each had the same number of flowers? Let n equal the number of flowers in each bouquet. So, the equation that I'm going to write on this one, the equation for this problem is 32 divided by 8. Okay, we're trying to find n. Okay, we know our math facts. We know 8 times 4 is 32. So 32 divided by 8 would equal 4. So that means each one of these would be 4. N equals 4. We're going to write n equals 4. Okay, question number 2. Okay, how did the strip diagram in problem 1 help you write the equation? And it just kind of gave you a picture to look at to help you write the equation. Helps it make a little bit more sense. Problem number 3. Write a problem about sharing items that you can solve by drawing a picture. Okay, then solve. Okay, I'm going to do a strip diagram. And my problem is Anne got 4 pencils to share with her, or she got 24 pencils to share with her 4 friends. How many will each friend get? And we draw a strip diagram. Okay, I'm going to separate it into 4 equal parts. So we're going to represent each friend. And our equation is going to be 24 divided by 4. And we know 4 times 6 is 24, so 6 is going to be our answer. That means each friend is going to get 6 pencils. Okay, next problem. We're going to look at, on the independent practice, we're going to look at the even problems. So, Kylie bought a bag of 30 beads to make bracelets. Each bracelet requires 5 beads. How many bracelets can Kylie make? My equation for that one's going to be 30 divided by 5. Okay, we know 5 times 6 equals 30, so our answer is going to be, she's going to be able to make 6 bracelets. We'll go ahead and draw a strip diagram to represent that. Okay, the 5 right there represents how many beads it takes to make each bracelet. We know it takes 6. She's going to be able to make 6 bracelets. So that's going to be our strip diagram right there. Each one's going to represent 5. Okay, next problem we'll look at is problem number 6. Okay, use a strip diagram. Okay, Jody is bundling newspapers. She has 54 newspapers and puts 6 newspapers in each bundle. How many bundles does Jody make? Okay, my equation is 54 divided by 6. Okay, we know our math facts. 6 times 9 is 54, so 54 divided by 6 would equal 9. So my strip diagram is going to have 9 parts. Okay, 9, so we have to separate our strip into thirds, and each third into thirds. That should be 9 parts. That means there's 6 in each one. Sure, I got 9 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 times 9 equals 54. Okay, we'll look at the next page. Page number 2. Okay, we're going to use a bar graph on this one. Okay, and question number 8. How much more money did Katy save in September than in October? So we need to label our bar graph. So September is right here. See that she saved $10 there. In October, it looks like it's increments of 1, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8. So she saved $8 there. Our equation for that would be 10 minus 8. Okay, whenever we're trying to find how much more of something there is, that's going to be a subtraction problem. And we know it's 2, so she saved $2 more in September than she did October. Problem number 10. Okay, use a strip diagram. Okay, Carl is planting seeds. He has 36 seeds that he wants to plant in 6 rows, which shows the number of seeds that will go into each row. So, okay, the overall strip diagram is going to represent 36. And this one doesn't do that. B doesn't, or A doesn't do that. So we're between C and D. And we said there's going to be 6 in each row. Okay, this one shows 6 in each row. And this one doesn't show that. This shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C is our right answer. Okay, problem number 12, our last problem. We'll go down the bottom here. Okay, looking back at problem number 10, suppose Carl wants to plant the seeds in 9 rows. How would the strip diagram change? Draw a strip diagram to represent the situation. How many seeds will Carl plant in each row? So the equation that we have right here, we still have 36 seeds, but we're going to divide them into 9 rows. So my equation is 36 divided by 9. We know 9 times 4 is 36, so that's our equation. So we'll go ahead and make a strip diagram to represent that. It's always good to make them longer if possible. That gives you a little bit more room to divide them out equally. So 9s, I'm going to separate into thirds first. I'll separate each third into a third. That should give me 9. Okay, and there'd be 4 in each one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that worked out. So 36 divided by 4 equals 9. And that's all we're going to talk about strip diagrams for now.